Turkey's military aviation has taken another step in its development with its new Tai Hürkuş 2 turboprop trainer flying for the first time. Hürkuş 2 took off from Turkey's Akıncı air base on the 30th of December, 2024. It flew for 20 minutes, reached an altitude of 6,500 feet, and reached speeds of 140 knots true air speed. The Hürkuş 2 is tandem seating, low-wing, single-engined, and is designed to be used in all stages of training, from basic training to combat aircraft conversion. It is also designed to have a light attack role, including close air support. The aircraft claimed to be able to take on patrol and border security missions, counter-narcotics operations, close air support missions, armed reconnaissance, airborne interdiction roles, surveillance and reconnaissance missions, and more. The aircraft had been expected to complete its first flight in June 2024, however, it was delayed with the reason for the delay is unknown. Development on the Hürkuş 2 started in May 2021. The original variant first flew in August 2013. The jet trainer is intended to replace the Northrop TR-38 Talon and to supplement Turkey's large fleet of F-16s. It is the Turkish answer to the Italian Aeolnia Armaci M346 Master, American Boeing Saab T-7 Red Hawk, and South Korean Kai T-50 Golden Eagle. Turkey has placed an order for 55 aircraft, with the final deliveries expected to take place in 2027. They will then replace the Turkish Air Force's original Hürkuş B variants. Only 15 of the original Hürkuş B variants have been completed, with some exported to Chad and Niger while others have been upgraded to HIU standards. The aircraft bears resemblance to the Brazilian Embraer EMB 314 Super Tucano, the U.S. Air Force trainer Beechcraft T-6 Texan II, and the Japanese Fuji T-7. Hürkuş, a tandem-seat, low-wing, single-engine, turboprop trainer aircraft, has been designed to deliver superior performance as a next-generation advanced trainer and light attack air. The Hürkuş 2 is an improvement over the earlier Hürkuş A and Hürkuş B variants, coming with aerodynamic refinements and better avionics. It also has an anti-G system, a reinforced canopy for bird strikes, and high shock-absorbing landing gear. The Tai Hürkuş is named after a World War I and Turkish Independence War veteran pilot.